Hello and welcome. If you'd like to see how I made this beautiful Easter egg decoration, please keep watching. Alright, so let's get started. I have a 4.5-inch styrofoam egg, a bag of buttons that I purchased through Amazon. These are resin buttons, and a bag of sewing pins, 1.5 inch. And I have a little decoration that I'll be putting that I purchased through Dollar Tree. All right, taking all the buttons out. Let's see what we can find here. Different colors. It's more of a neutral color. Beige, browns, like a yellow, very light yellow. Ouch, I just pinched myself. And let me open this. Oh, there's little six butterflies. Oh, that's nice. They're very pretty. All right, so let's get started here. Oh, these look like they're lavender as well. Oh, look how pretty this one is. This is different. I'm gonna put this one up here. Let me see if I like this side or this side. Nope, I like this side better. First one in. I like to put 2 pins. It secures it better and it gives it a better look, finish. All right. Oops. Let's see. Nice. You have to be careful not to pinch yourself, because I sure pinch myself. Please leave comments below if you have any arts and crafts that you do. And let me also know if you like this one when I finish it. Make it a little bigger button here. I'm obsessed with buttons. Always have. Let's see. I used to draw my clothes, and my mom used to make the pattern, and we used to go and buy the fabric and the buttons, believe it or not, because I used to put buttons on my clothes, whether I used the button or it was just for decoration. And my mom used to sew my clothes. So pretty. Let's get one that's going to fit there. Let me see if this side or the other. Oh, this one looks more interesting on this side. Better. Aren't these buttons beautiful? One more button. Now for the butterflies. Do I put one or two? Let's see. Do I put a button in front of the butterfly or not? Let's see that too. I can put this right in the middle. And let's see here. Let me see if I could stick a little button to lift it up a little bit. Maybe one or two. That's why it's good to have a long sewing pin. I'm trying to see where. Right here. And I think I'll put another one of the pins. Let's see if I can. Let me pull it out first. I lost the spot. Oh, there it is. I think I'm content. What do you think? I like my project. I hope that you did too. Please let me know. Comment below if you liked my art, my craft, my Easter decoration. And thank you for watching. Bye.